Hello parents and welcome to Spello Fun. Now in today's video I am going to explain all the parents regarding the book 5 that is distributed to all the grammar children. Alright. Now before I begin with the main part, I would like to explain you all that parents please understand that for the first 2 weeks when the children are coming to the class, they sit with the teacher that's available, because after the first 2 weeks we have the entire planned schedule in which there are 6 babies sitting with one teacher. Those 6 kids sitting with one teacher will remain the same for the entire academic year. Also, the place allotted to the children and the teacher for the year would remain the same. Alright, so there are 6 to 7 teachers conducting the batch alongside 2 supervisors, which includes me and one of my supervisor, and we both are there systematically supervising all the batches. Yes, an explanation in all the batches is done by me. Alright, so this is the pattern we have been following since a decade, I would say. Alright. Yes, so now this is the book number 5. As you know, my teacher is already posting or is going to post as to which test would be conducted on which day, and this is the homework wherein if the teacher is posting that this is to be taken in the next class, the kids will have to write at home and come the pages which are given, and the teachers would conduct the test on these blank pages. So the teacher will post with the picture so as to which test is there for the next class. Now for the spellings, yes, after we complete 2 or 3 tests, we are going to give them a gift to encourage them for spellings. If they've scored 8 and above for the last 3 tests or something like that, will be planned for the children, so that they know they have to work hard, and it gives them a little bit of enthusiasm. Okay. Now bedtime reading logs, of course. Now this is going to be the most important homework for all the children coming to Spello Fun. So every night before their bedtime, the kids have to pick out a book and read something. The children can read a page or few pages depending on their time, their likeliness or the convenience, but they need to read something before they go to sleep. Alright parents, and if they have read for the day, you will have to note the date and sign. Please understand that for a particular day, you can only fill one row, because the bedtime reading would only occur once daily. So once in a day only you can mention here in the logs. Once they finish one column, again we'll be giving them some gifts to encourage this bedtime reading. So make sure this is followed religiously by all the children, because it's going to be the most important homework this year. Thank you.